And in this section, we're going to talk about marketing your promotional videos, services, and products. The second step in creating promotional videos using CreateStudio for your own products and services. Now, in the previous section, we're going to talk about how to make videos that sell. In this section, we're going to talk about how to sell videos. So let's jump into an overview of what we're going to cover here, and then we'll get into the course or into the lecture. So all of the tips from creating promotional videos that sell from the previous section apply. So here we are with the lectures to be covered, or the topics to be covered in this section. I'm not going to go bullet by bullet with corresponding lectures. I'm just going to free form through this section. And let's look at the first topic. First of all the tips for creating promotional videos that sell apply. You can't sell a bad product or video, no matter how good your marketing is. You may actually make some success in the early days marketing, but disgruntled customers and returns will end up biting you in the end. If you have a bad product, or even first, before the bad product comes the promotional video, you better have a good promotional video. I recommend you have both. So all the tips from the previous section apply before you get into marketing your promotional videos, services, and products. Next, I want to talk about creating pro bono videos for business acquaintances. This is a great way to get off the ground. I'm currently working on creating promotional videos for my new dentist and the realtor who sold us our new home. Find acquaintances, business acquaintances, potential future customers, or examples of potential future customers, or customers in your category. It doesn't even matter if they're in your niche, if you're promoting your own thing. Just find people that you can offer to create free videos for. That's what pro bono means, is free. So that you can brush up on your chops and get your skills ready before you really dive in. Find some people as guinea pigs to experiment on for free. Now, they may be thinking they're getting a great deal by getting free videos, and they are, but you're getting a great deal by being able to experiment with real videos for real businesses. Third, create a YouTube channel and upload videos. If you want to get into online video, which is what promotional videos is all about, you need a YouTube presence, and you might need several videos. You might just need one or two. It depends on what you're after. In this section, I will describe how to create a YouTube channel and how to upload videos to your channel. YouTube marketing is a great way to market courses, for one thing, that I use for Udemy, and your own products and services. And I'm going to show you how to do that in the following section, which is how to promote your business for free on YouTube. So sure, you can pay for paid advertising on Udemy. Never used it. In this section, I want you to learn how to use free methods to promote your services and products via YouTube videos. Every YouTube video comes with a description. And down in the description, you can put pointers or URL links to any services you want, or detailed information, or your web page, or a sign up to your mailing list page. So we're going to learn how to use all that stuff. The other thing I want to touch on, this isn't exactly free, although there is a free version of it. It doesn't give you very much. There's a product called TubeBuddy. If you get really into YouTube, you want to get a copy of TubeBuddy because it shows you how to max out the SEO for your YouTube videos. Another service that we want to look at for marketing on YouTube. The next thing that you need to do, the second thing, is that you need to promote your videos, products, and services on Facebook via a business page. Business pages or pages are easy to create and maintain. Now, there's some details as far as how to configure them and so on, and to make and optimize them that we're going to go through. But a Facebook page will give you an opportunity to promote your product. Now, notice that a page is different than a group. You may be in my Facebook group for CreateStudio, and students or whoever is in your group get to interact with you and comment, and it's a way to interact with your customers. A page is a way for you to promote. So you may need both, a page and a group, depending on what your services or product is all about. Next, we're going to look at marketing via free and paid Facebook promotion. Once again, I prefer free Facebook marketing because I've received little benefit. In fact, let's modify that to none from paid Facebook advertising. I'm not good at it. Still, I will show you how to create free, make that free, Facebook marketing campaigns. And I will show you how to create paid Facebook marketing campaigns. Now, I will refer you to others with more expertise to make paid Facebook advertisements successful. I haven't been able to, and I've been trying for years. So it's hard. Everybody makes it look like it's easy. It's not. I don't know the tricks, tips, and the keys, and I'll refer you to others for that. The final thing that you need, the third step in creating your online marketing presence, is to create a free Google for Business listing. Now, these are most often, notice when you search for a business, it pops up on the side and it gives you a map and all that stuff. We're going to talk about how to create that. Now, since you have a virtual business and not some place that people can come and visit, a brick and mortar store, I'm going to show you how to create a virtual Google for Business listing. And it will allow people to search for you and find details about your business, like how to make it to your web page if you have one, how to make it to your Facebook page, all of these things via Google for Business. And I show you how to create and configure your listing from the ground up in this section. Finally, selling your services on Fiverr. Now, students, I did a survey on my group, and they didn't show much interest in selling CreateStudio videos on Fiverr or Uplift, or Upsell rather, opposed to creating videos to sell their own products and services. But still, I thought this topic might be worth a peek. It's always an option, is to take your CreateStudio skills and chops and sell your results on Fiverr, and you can make quite a bit of money. So we're going to take a peek at that at the very end. And that's it for this section. Here's all the things that we covered. If you want, pause the video here and you can review. But without that said, this is what I thought I'd talk about is the next, I don't know what's going to happen in this section, but in the next section outline, I'm going to talk about how to build your own CreateStudio templates from scratch. So if you have a basic license, I'm going to show you how to build up your own sophisticated templates and reuse them from a basic license. I'll see you in that section, if not in the first lecture in this section.